Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a walk around video today. You see a lot of these come through our camp. We got a 3rd gen 4Runner 1999 limited. We're going to be going through it today, just doing a quick quality check as far as condition goes, inside and out, options, everything that you are wondering about this truck. Hopefully we'll get it answered in this video. Again, it's a 99. First off, this truck is 21 years old. It can go out and buy beers. It can do lots of stuff. It's weathered. It's not perfect. We've had some stuff fixed, like the tears in the seat. It's gloomy out today, and it almost looks, I don't know how to describe it. It doesn't really look terrible, but it's a little dirtier on the inside there from age. But we had all the rips and tears fixed, so it's all nice. We got the floor mats. They're in the back. Had them shampooed. Let's hop in and kind of check out what we're working with here. On the miles, 150. 597. Truck fires right up, no problems. No check engine lights or anything weird going on. We've got the factory CD player, AM, FM. Put on some AC here. It's actually cool out today though. It's 50, 60 degrees downtown Kansas City. Nice cold AC. Like I said, it's limited, so it's got the slider sunroof in it. Fully back, fully closed. Sorry guys, I am a little big for these SUVs. I outgrew mine. Really clean overall. You can see the carpets have been shampooed. We had it detailed. It looks great. Comes with the owner's manual. Windows are tinted up front. Got your little garage door opener overhead on it. 4-wheel drive package. It is the manual. All these come with manual shifting 4-wheel drive. Boy, that AC is ice cold. Whew. No questions there. Cold AC. Let's turn that down a bit. Like I said, 4-wheel drive works properly like it should. A lot of these older 4Runners are notorious for this. So when you go down in the drive, it doesn't light up there. And they also kind of, see how I kind of like shifted out of drive a little bit there. It stays in drive when you're driving it, but these things don't, being so old, they don't exactly work as well as they did when they were new. Everything drives fine and works fine. I'm just pointing out little stuff that you might notice when you come look at it. Like I said, no check engine lights, no nothing. We serviced this thing fully. It got suspension work. It got a leveling kit, got new mud tires. It got valve cover gaskets. It got quite a bit of stuff. So let's hop out, peek under the hood, walk around it. Valve covers were leaking pretty bad when we got it. And you guys know we typically don't clean under the hoods here at 816 Diesel. But this one had some oil, so we decided to give it a nice little cleanup after we did the valve covers. So there is no longer that burning oil smell. There's a little bit residual, but we've cleaned it up nice. It looks good. Everything's in good condition under the hood. Like I said, we serviced it all. You hear a little belt chirping. There's some moisture in the air from the rain today. We got a little rain and some cool weather this morning out here in Kansas City. The worst thing I can tell you about this, it's got some paint fade on the hood. Upward facing panels that are 21 years old. It's not even paint fade. The clear coat's failed. See that? The paint's still in good condition. So clear coat failure on the hood and the fenders too. I'm pointing that out so you guys can see that. That is the worst thing about this. And you know, it's 21 years old. I'd love to have the whole thing resprayed. It'll cost you, depending on where you go, $300 to $500 to have that resprayed. There's a little crease in the front bumper here. As you can see, a couple little dings. It looks like someone's touched it up. As far as that goes, it's not the worst I can show you on here. It's got a 2-inch leveling kit in the rear and a 3-inch in the front. And like I said, we did run brand new Centennial MTs. They're Dirt Commanders, LT 285/75/16, which you guys know that is basically a 33-inch by 12.5-inch wide tire. Great little tire. It actually rides really nice for what it is. You see the little SUV and you think it's going to ride terrible on these mud tires. We did the suspension alignment and everything, and it rides really nice for what it is. It's still 21 years old on mud tires, but it rides really nice. All right, back seat, a little dirty, nothing crazy. Nothing bad to say or report back here. Just getting you another view of the bird's eye view of the front here. Cargo area, like I said, all your floor mats are back here. We had them cleaned and stuff, so has the seats that come up right here too, I believe. Yep, nice and clean under there. Now, of course, and we'll get back to that in a little bit. A lot of you guys are wondering about the rust. I'm not gonna lie, there is some. It's very minimal as I'm looking at it right here. It's very minimal on the frame. It looks really nice. For these 4Runners, it looks nice. There's no holes in it. Look at that, how clean that is all the way back. But it isn't perfect. It's been underbody. I'm sitting here telling you there was minor surface rust, and it looks like it's been underbodied and taken care of. I didn't really mess with it. It's really good condition for what these 4Runners are, because as you guys know, these old Toyotas, they have a bad problem with developing holes in the frames and eating themselves out. So this one is not there. It's not perfect. It's not a Arizona truck by any means, but it is in good shape. Fully, like I said, fully detailed. Carpet's clean back here. Looks really nice. Seats fold down. I don't know what to show you back here. Does have the trailer hitch, 2-inch receiver with your wiring down there for your trailer, sea-doo, boat, whatever you're going to put behind here. The company that gave us the lift kit gave us those. We just put it on there. It looks cool. Just a little coil over. All in all, guys, there's not a lot of bad to tell you. I mean, besides little normal dings and dents that I'm kind of showing you to expect on the corners of bumpers, for 21 years old, it is in dang good shape, I'll tell you what. Some minor fog and paint fade there, just minor. Still shines up nice. Leather has some cracks as far as just age. It's not ripped or torn or anything. But yeah, all in all, with the exception of the clear coat on the hood, this is a super nice 4Runner. We had the passenger seat fixed too, because there was rips and tears here. I don't like sending them out like that. I know it looks a little bit off, but once it gets dirty, kind of like that, some wear in it, it'll look good. We just want it to be a good fresh start for whoever's getting it. No rips or tears. But that's it, guys. Not a lot more here to show you that I can think of off the top of my head. Yeah, you know the drill. These 4Runners, we get them in. Sometimes they go quick, sometimes they sit. 816diesel.com is where you're going to want to go right now. You're going to find the pricing, the pictures, if we still have it. I get a lot of people that call me 2 years later asking if I still got these. Guys, we sell everything quick. Nothing hangs around more than 30 days usually. I always get some curveballs, but head over to my website, 816diesel.com. Pictures, VIN number, pricing, anything you're wondering about this 4Runner should be answered on the website. And my cell phone's on there too. So if you want to get a hold of me direct, call me or text me, 913-735-3748. My name's Cameron. I'm happy to help. Any questions, just let me know. And like I was telling you earlier, since these spend their whole life in drive, that light burns out. So all the other lights work and it shifts through them, no problem. But when you get to drive, that light does not light up. All the other ones do. Little things like that, guys. I just don't want you to be surprised when you come see the condition of it. It's 21 years old, keep that in mind. Still a great truck. But thanks again for your time. We appreciate everyone who watches the channel. Give us a like if you're not following already. We always got cool trucks coming up, more 4Runners, more diesels, more half tons, a little bit of everything. So head over to 816diesel.com. Thank you for your time and have a great week out there, guys.